Howdy howdy guys, welcome back to Cruiserman's Inventions. We're on part 2 of the final completion of the washing machine lawnmower. So there it is guys, so let's check it out. Alright, so as you can see guys, it's got a lift up lid. The motor's in here, and my controller's up in here, and the batteries are down on the front there. 72 volts, 800 watt controller, off and on switch here, and a volume control instead of a throttle. So let's just ramp that back, get this thing going. Awesome. So yeah guys, I just actually mowed this whole back lawn and I've just charged her up again, and boy, what a cool toy. And you can actually look back over on a lot of my other videos to do with this whole build guys and stuff, but wow, look at that guys, not too bad, and it's done a pretty good job on the lawn too. But yep. So this is a little short clip, and I hope it just gets the front of this as the front picture this time. So awesome guys, I'm impressed with it. It's really good, runs really well. This ain't a long video guys, so I basically want this to be my front screenshot. So it is ended up being a massive lawnmower, and 72 volts, you know, I'm going to make that windmill to charge it, and yeah, should be good guys. Awesome stuff. Alright, I think I got enough shots of it. Awesome stuff guys, I'll see you in another video coming up guys. Awesome. Cruiserman out guys.